Hey, I'm here with Chewy. We're just doing a quick review for you on this pet comb. You can use this on dogs and cats with long hair. Chewy right now doesn't have exactly the longest of hair, but we still want to brush him. Turn it on and look, immediately when you press the button, it's a cool steam. See that? And we're going to comb this little guy. So it's going to make him smell good, and it does smell very good, but he loves this. It's also going to pull all of the dead hair and the shedding hair. This little guy doesn't shed. We're still, oh yeah, we're getting hair in there. Yep. We're going to just clean him off. Let's go ahead and get this up close, Chew. Does that feel good, buddy? I'm going to give you a little better view there so you can see the steam. And you can't really adjust the level of the steam. It's just going to come out nice and gentle. And then we're going to go ahead and just give him a nice little brush down here. Single click it. Now watch this. Are you ready? Pulled all the hair, pushed all the hair up to the top of the bristles. I'm not going to push very hard, right? Now, of course, if you have a bigger dog with thicker fur, you can really get in there and work this. And it's just going to pull any extra excess hair off. Give them a nice, oh, yep. And I've got a little area here that's like a knot of hair. So we're going to go ahead. He's already feeling so smooth. Yeah. Right, Chew? So smooth. Getting a nice comb. We're going to go under here. Get around here. Definitely around that area. Oh, wow. And it works through great. Now, this is a short hair little Yorkie. Can you imagine what this is going to do if you have a pet with really long fur, especially dogs that shed a lot? This is going to be key to maintaining a nice, soft, clean coat for them. Is ingenious. It's a great system. It's really easy to use. I'm very impressed with this. That is my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.